In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be making over $400 in a day, generating free logo online at the comfort of your home. And everything that we are going to be doing today doesn't require a professional experience before you can start making money. Even if you're just a beginner, you can still get everything started and start making money with everything that I'm going to show you in this video. And all you're going to need is just an access to the internet, a laptop, or even a smartphone. Then you're ready to go. And no matter where you're living in the world, being America, Africa, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you live in the world, you can still get access to everything that we are going to be talking about in this video and be making money online. And this is the website that we are going to be using today. This website actually gives you a tool that is going to help you to create a logo with just clicking of a button. Okay, even if you're just a beginner and you don't have experience, like I said earlier, there is a tool in this website that you can use to create this logo. Okay, and the name of this website is called designhit.com. And apart from doing logos from this website, there are other various things that you can also do to be generating money. Okay, but the most popular one is logo design. Apart from this, you can see there are a lot of all other things that you can design with just clicking of a button. Okay, like calendar design, catalog design, CD cover design, email design, label design, magazine design. So you can see there are a lot of design that you can make from this website. Now, the very first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and create our first logo. Okay, and for you to do that, you need to go down to the bottom of the page. Just go down and come to this place where it says tools. You can see there's a logo maker, business tool, flyer maker, even t-shirt. You can also make t-shirt from this website without the help of these tools. All right, but for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and use logo maker. Okay, once you click on the button, you're going to be on this page just like this. Okay, the very first thing that I'm going to ask you is to put in your company name. For the sake of this video, let me put my name, OBJ Cash Money. All right, and once you do that, you're going to hit on this button that says create logo. Okay, then you're going to wait a little. Then this is going to pop up. Here, they're going to ask you to pick at least 5 designs. All right, you have the choice to pick 5. I'm go ahead and take this as my number 1. I will choose this as number 2, number 3. There are many designs that you can choose for. I'm going to choose green as number 4. I'm going to add another color blue as the 5th one. Once you select your 5 design, you're going to hit on this button that said continue. Okay, and here you have the ability also to choose 3 types of colors. Here I will go ahead and choose blue, green. I will just go ahead and choose yellow. It doesn't mean that you're going to be selecting the main color that I select. I'm just doing this for you to know what to do once you're here. All right, and once you do that, you're going to come here. On this way, they're going to ask you the same question again. What's your company name? OBJ Cash Money. Then they're going to ask you, what is your slogan? It's actually optional, but you can put anything. I'm going to put make money online. All right, and after that, they are going to ask you to select your industry. And here I can actually select business and consulting, and they're going to ask you of budget, but doesn't really mean just go ahead and hit on this button also that say continue. All right, and here you have the opportunity to add at least 5 symbols that you would like to be included on your logo. Okay, and the very first thing that I'm going to write is money. And once you write anything that is your choice, anything that you would like to be in your logo, what you need to do is to hit on the comma, and it's going to be like this. Okay, each word you write, you are going to be separating it with comma. Okay, I can also choose something like business. All right, and I can choose something like e-com. And once you select everything that you would like to be in your logo, okay, you have the ability to choose 5 words. And once you select all those 5 things that you would like in the words, you're going to go ahead and click on this button that says continue again. All right, you're going to wait for the tools to generate your logo for you. Then on the final page, you're going to see all the logos just like this. Okay, you can see the pre-made logos. They are very simple. Don't worry, this simple logo are the made the. Okay, don't worry of the simplicity. You can see how simple the logo is, beautiful and simple. Okay, all the logos have OBJ Cash Money because that is the company name that we wrote. All right, you can see how it is very simple. And there are many more. You can also load more if you want to see more of the logos. All right, you can see some of them. They are very simple. You can also load more. Okay, and you can actually repeat the same thing for t-shirt, for mug, anything you want to do. You have the opportunity to choose it from here without even stressing out. All right, same for logo, t-shirt, and every other things like that. Okay. But before we go further into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. In case today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On this channel, we talk about different ways and different strategies that you can use to make money online. So if you're that kind of person who want to make money online with different ways, different strategies, you can actually subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload any video just like this, you're going to be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And once you're that first person to be notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to make money with the video. All right, the next thing that you're going to do now is to go ahead and take a screenshot of this page. All right, and once you've done that, you're going to crop it out one after the other, or better still, you can take a screenshot of each and every one right here. Okay, and once you have it, you're going to save it on your drive or anywhere else. The reason why you're going to be taking the screenshot is if you want to modify this or you want to download it, you can see that you'll be asked to create your account. And apart from creating your account, they're going to ask you to pay some fees, which is their monthly fee that will give you monthly access to all these tools. All right. So if you take a screenshot of this, save it on your Google Drive. What we are going to do is to go ahead to this website called People Per Hour. Okay. Once you're here, come over to this place where it says search and search for offers. Okay, here just search for logo, and once you pop up, you're going to see that few people are already selling these logos. This person with just a little design, a design that is not so difficult, is making over $165 per each logo that he sells. All other person are selling for $20, $140, $50, and you can see the people that are selling for high prices are just simple logos. You can see this one that is so beautiful, that looks so beautiful, is selling for just $20. While like this one or even this one that is very simple is selling for $118. The reason why is making a simple logo is even more difficult than this. If you check this design over here and check the design that we just made, there is no difference. All of these are simple logos. All right. Just take a look at this. Just a simple logo like this is selling for $110. Check our logo, you're going to see they are almost the same thing. There is a video that I made some time ago about People Per Hour. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so that you understand how everything works on People Per Hour. Okay, when you watch that video, you're going to understand everything, because here you need to create your account, and once you've done that, you're going to be uploading the screenshot that you take from here and be posting it on People Per Hour. And once you make your first sale, you're going to come over to this website and pay for what they demand. Okay, so you're not going to be paying anything. Once you start making money here, you're going to come over to design here and pay for their package, and then you can start making money. So you have to make money here first before you're going to pay for it. Okay, so don't just go ahead and pay for it. All right, and once you do that, you're going to be in a position you can see how much these people are charging for their logos. And all time, this very guy right here has sold almost 2,000 plus logo. Since there are a lot of demands of logo, but there are a few people that are doing it, because doing logo is not actually easy, and that's the reason why this website is a breakthrough for us. There are high demands with low competition. You have the more opportunity to do it right here. Okay, or better still, you can come to Fiverr and do the same thing, but Fiverr is a little bit saturated. All right, and some of the price are a little low compared to People Per Hour, where you're going to see just for a simple logo charging $165. Fiverr will be charging $14. I know there are a lot of other gigs on Fiverr that are Pro Verify. Okay, just like this one is Pro Verify, and he's doing this for $1,200. You can see some people are also doing it here, but it's a little bit saturated, and the competition here is much high with respect to People Per Hour. So that is the main reason I will firstly advise you to try out People Per Hour. Okay, because the competition here is very low. There are high demands with low competition. So if you watch this video to this point, I want you to go out there and try it out yourself. Okay, and I do appreciate your effort. And if you feel like you've learned something for this video, I want you to go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to more people who are looking for ways to make money online. All right, and if you don't want to use this website to make money and you want to try out another website with different strategies, you can actually click on this video right here or even this playlist, and they are going to show you different ways and different strategies that you can use to make more money online. Okay, so see you next time with another video again just like this on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.